guys, so if you want to make this cute little candle monogram, then stick around. This is super easy, really cheap, and a great gift for like anybody. Like I say, if you want to put it in a basket or whatnot, this is such a cute little neat idea. So if you want to see that, stick around. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would do this quick gift idea. I know it's after Christmas and this would have been like perfect for like teachers' gifts or whatnot, but you could also do these for like end of the year gifts, like to throw in for like shower gifts, wedding gifts, you know, really anything that you kind of want to personalize something for somebody. And I'm sure this has been done before on YouTube, but you know, I just thought I would just put my little spin on it and see where it goes. So all I did was I just bought one of these candles from the Dollar Tree, you know, the ones that light up. They're super cute. And I just went to my Silhouette and I printed off an A because that's my last name. So I thought I was going to use this in my bathroom because I have like a little area there with hand soap, you know, for people to wash their hands, lotion to put on after my guest bath and whatnot. So I wanted to personalize something because it just needed something extra in there. But you can also get these at I'm sorry, I was getting a text message. You could just buy these little letters really anywhere. I've seen these at the Dollar Tree. I've seen these at Hobby Lobby for like 99 cents that you could just buy like the last name, initial, or you know, whatever initial you want to put on it. They're really cheap. So for around $2 you could have a, you know, like a little gift you could stick in to monogram for someone. I know, and I don't know about anywhere else, but in the South we are very big into monogramming. So like I said, all I did was just go to my Silhouette and print off an A, and then I'm just gonna put it on there like so, and that's simple. And you could have like a really cute little gift for someone, you know, teacher, you know, cheer me up gift, spa, you know, like a little, you know, whatever. But yeah, I just put it on there and that's pretty simple. I know this font is like terrible. It needs a little help because it's so skinny. And I always have trouble with this with my Silhouette with this font. I know you could like do things to make it better, but there it goes. It just takes it a second to get it started. And after that, it's pretty easy. But yeah, and like I said, you could get these little letters anywhere, and I'm sure that there'd be a lot easier than this Silhouette one that's being difficult. But yeah, I just thought I would do this. I was kind of bored. It's cold out here today. You know, we've had like some really strange weather here. It's so weird. Why is this doing this? Usually this just peels off like, there it goes. Simple. But today it's being a butthead. I think it's because it's so thin right there. That's probably what it is. But yeah, and my kid, my youngest, just went back to school yesterday. So like, I've been so lost because they were out for almost 3.5 weeks. And there you have it. You can also, you know, I've seen people do this with like the Chanel and the Louis Vuitton. Well, I've actually seen them do like this ridiculous process of printing out and doing all this stuff when you could just like go to your Silhouette and use it or whatnot. But yeah, and there you have it. Look at that. That's just such a cute little A for like a candle. You could set it up and there you go. I think that's adorable. It's a cute little gift if you're into monogramming. Also have a tip. So, let me go get it. I shall be back. Okay. This is my tip, guys. Is, if you're doing the silhouette, cricket, whatnot, you know, and that, my thing is you don't have to have that to do this project. You could do this little thing for $2 and there's someone like to add in a basket, like I said before. But this is for my silhouette cricket people. So, you know, when you're buying your transfer paper, I mean, stuff is really expensive, you know, and you don't get much on a roll. So what I do is, this is a pretty big roll right here. I mean, it's pretty big. It's $5, $4.98. You can get this at Walmart. It's in the contact paper aisle, and it is by Duck. So basically, it's clear contact paper. And that works just as well as the expensive transfer paper that you buy. So I just thought, you know, and you get 3 or 4 times as much for a fraction of the price. So I thought I would just pass that on in case anyone didn't know. I'm sure, you know, you do by now if you're in and you're on like a lot of Facebook groups and whatnot. But yeah, I thought that was pretty neat. But yeah, I thought this was just neat. Little gift. So I'm actually going to set this, I'm going to set this over here and like, hi guys, and here we are with my little candle. I thought it turned out really cute. And like I said, you know, for the price, if you want to add it in like a little basket for a shower, co-worker gift, teacher gift, you know, this is a really cool little thing to do. I enjoyed making it, and I have literally $1 in it because the A was scrap paper that I used for the silhouette. But like I was saying before, you can buy these little simple vinyl letters at, gosh, I've seen them at Target, Walmart, Hobby Lobby, Michael's. I see them all over, and you know, they're usually not over $1 at the most. So for $2, you know, you have a cute little gift that's monogrammed, and it kind of makes that person feel a little bit special because you put thought into their gift when actually you kind of did, and you just was like, hey, I just threw this on here. But you know, they don't have to know that. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. I enjoyed doing this video. I just thought it was something quick, simple, that, you know, that I had in my head that I was like, hey, I want to share this. So I hope you all are having a wonderful day. I'll see you next week. I got a lot of video ideas in my head right now, so just trying to get those together and stuff and filmed, you know, is where I'm at right now. But like I said, guys, thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful, blessed day. Bye, guys.